Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special 9-inch Android head unit touchscreen for Volvo S60 2011 to 2018 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. This bus special harness and the canvas box, and this is the head unit. Okay, let me show the harness first. You can check this special harness and cable. This connect our back of head unit. This power speaker wire. Okay, you can check factory plug. And it comes with AUX wire, AUX input left and right as AC type. And you can check this LVDS canvas box, decoder box. And this connects on this plug. Connected. Okay, let me disconnect. Canvas LVDS decoder. Okay. And this is camera input adapter, AC type, and this GPS antenna. This 2 USB cable and the external microphone connect back of head unit. This is AUX input left and right, and video input. And this audio cable. This subwoofer. And this AUX output left and right, front and rear. Okay. Let me show you the unit. Okay, we can check this back of head unit. And this power, this fuse, this GPS, this Wi-Fi antenna, this radio, this connector for audio cable, USB and other connection. Okay, let me connect power. And The head unit will be start up. This 9-inch IPS touchscreen, special for Volvo S60. Okay, please take out screen protector before using. Okay, adjust the brightness. Very fast response. All apps are here. You can check. It's built in Z-Link. Z-Link app for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This back button, DSP amplifier. Sub control, sound field. Okay, built-in Google Play Store. You can and YouTube Play Store. You can install application from Play Store. This control settings. This vehicle information. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, and you can check. Chip is PX6. Android tuning system. It's ROM 64 GB. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. This is widgets you can add the home screen. Okay, thank you.